Sarah and Josh. Today we're gonna do something really fun. We're gonna have a slush challenge. Now let's see who makes the best slush. You need a bag of ice. You need any kind of juice. And some salt. Now let's start it. Josh, can you open this? Now you gotta pour the salt in. Let me do it. Josh, here. No. Take this. Josh, can you help? Okay. Okay, good job. Now let me do it for you.
That's red. That's okay.
This?
Yeah.
Okay, now let's close it. Josh, can you close it? Just take it. Now let's shake! Josh, can you take it? Oh, no. Take it. Kind of loud. Josh, let's put the juice bag inside. Now let's open it. Keep this bag inside. You want me to help? Here. Can you close it? Now let's mix again. What is that, Josh? You're gonna shake. It's like you're dancing. Oh no. Our hands are so cold, so we're gonna take a towel and wrap it around. I'm gonna do it for Josh first. Keep it down. Now we're gonna wrap it. Josh, you're gonna take it now. And your hands don't get cold. Now for me. That's better, right, Josh? Yeah. Keep on doing this for 10 to 15 minutes. We'll see you after 10 to 15 minutes. I'm so tired. Oh no, it fell out. Oh. I wish there was an easier way.
15 minutes later.
It's finally 15 minutes now. My hands are so tiring, right, Josh?
Yeah. Now we need to pour it.
Yeah. Josh, you want to take out yours?
Yeah.
Wow! That's so cool. Now let's open it. You want me to open it and pour it for you?
Yeah. And then I did my job.
Yeah.
Hey, actually, that is mine again. I had to say
It's okay.
something this is accident.
It's a doozy daisies. Josh, can you help me? Because this is yours. Can you take it out with your hand and keep it inside? That looks so good, right, Josh?
Yes.
The goodness of snuffiness. Let's check out mine. Wow! Now let me pour it. Wow. Oopsies. I made a mistake. Let me take the spoon, keep it carefully, because I don't want it to be so messy. Wow! Okay, I think I should take a little bit at a time. No, please don't fall. Please don't fall. Please no. Please go inside. Please go inside. Yeah! Let's see who's the winner. I cannot choose. I guess it's mine. I think it's yours, okay? It's yours. You're the winner. Okay, now you want to try it out?
Yeah.
Let's taste. Yummy! Is it yummy, Josh?
Yeah, my lemonade.
Yeah, it's yummy. And it's really soft. Oh, we are enjoying our slushie. We hope you like this challenge. And if you want to see more of our videos, don't forget to click that subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.